Hi, so we're going to cover today a bit about stock selection to use for earning trades with options. So, with no further ado, we'll move on to the first slide. Okay, now, so there are a few basic things that you need in order to know how to choose a stock to put on an earnings option trade. So number one, you need to know when the earnings announcement actually is. Number two, you need to choose assets which are highly liquid and tradable. And number three is you need to see that it's got an appropriate volatility pattern around the earnings date. So first of all, regarding the earnings announcement, there's a very good source. It's called earnings.com. So let's go there now to earnings.com, and we'll see what's coming up this week in terms of the earnings. So let me just open that in the screen here. Oops, sorry, I'll just adjust that. Resize the screen, and here we go. Okay, so so now is the 21st of August 2011. So earnings.com, when you come to it, okay, I'll just click on the home page. It seems to be a bit slow now for some reason. Okay, so going to the home of earnings.com, you'll see this screen. Okay, and it gives you initially a summary screen, which shows you the highlighted webcast, the highlighted earnings releases, etc. So we'll go to basically I plan the week ahead. I look at what earnings are coming up for the entire week. So I go through day by day, and we'll just go through one day to have a look. So it's got several tabs here. I click on the earnings tab, and here we have all the earnings coming up on Monday. Now I'll just reorder it in terms of the date and time. Okay, you just click here on the date, time, and that will order it. BMO, of course, means before market open, and AMC is after market close. So basically, I'm looking here for, I mean, you can go through every single stock and have a look, but I really need the big name stocks, the large market cap stocks, because they'll be the ones which are more tradable. So let's see. It doesn't seem here, if we have a quick look through, that there are many good options. Okay, so Monday, basically no good options. I'll move on to Tuesday. Okay, again reordering it each time in terms of the date and time. Okay. Okay, so here's a big company, Heinz, and okay, Medtronic. Let's have a look at this. So you can see here that there are a couple of options, Heinz and Medtronic. I'm going to skip over Heinz for now because the more stable companies tend to be actually less worse plays in terms of the earnings announcement trade. So let's go to Medtronic. So I'm going to open Thinkorswim, the trading platform, and we'll just go here to MDT, Medtronic. So this actually brings us on to the second slide. So we've gone on the source to find out about the earnings announcement. Now we need to know, is it tradable? So first of all, let's have a look at the stock price. Okay, $31, that's fine. Okay, in general, I mean, most stock prices are okay, but if the stock has a relatively low price, like under $10, then the commissions can become very, very significant. So in general, it's best to trade stocks which are, in the tens or mid-teens and above. Trading stocks under that will be very problematic because of the commission. So this stock price is fine. The next thing we want to look at is option volume and open interest of the options. Okay, we're talking about options here. So you can see this is the option chain for Medtronic. You can see also that the implied volatility